What's going on? Crypto Doge here, and this video is going to be talking about why the cryptocurrency market cap is actually down and how to actually profit from market corrections such as this one and future ones, because there will definitely be more corrections in the future. So coin market cap is really kind of destroyed right now. It's kind of stupid. It won't load properly. I can refresh it and it doesn't work, but we're going to work with this. Too bad. I'm not going to wait for the website to be fixed to be making this video, because I really want to talk to you guys about this. So I pretty much have three main reasons why the cryptocurrency market cap is down at the moment. I'm going to be telling you guys and explaining that in this video. So the first reason, some of you guys may not know already, but CoinMarketCap has actually taken out Korean exchange prices out of their calculations for the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency prices. So as you guys can see this little star and it says price excluded. And if we can find one of those price excluded, let's find one. Okay, it's here. Never mind, price. Okay, right here. As you guys can see, there's a little star here, and it's because it's a Korean exchange. And the reason why they did this is because all the Korean exchanges are a lot higher compared to their prices. As you guys can see, most of their prices are in the 13 or 14 thousands, as these Korean exchanges are actually in the 17 thousands. So that's why they decided to take it off, because it makes it a little bit more inaccurate. But while taking that off, it actually lowers the average of the Bitcoin price and other prices, therefore kind of dropping the price. So since they have done that, it made the price of Bitcoin actually drop, at least on the coin market cap. But in reality, it didn't really drop that much. It's just mostly this kind of thing that was taken out of the average that's pretty much making the price go a lot lower. So that's one of the main reasons. But obviously it's not just that. That is making a small dent in this market cap drop, but it's not the bulk of it. So I'm going to be talking about the second reason. So if we go here to this Bitcoin chart, as you guys can see, I kind of drew three channels here for Bitcoin. Okay, this is the channel, the long-term channel, the realistic long-term channel for Bitcoin. I would say this goes back all the way to like June this year. You guys can see it kind of holds up and kind of stays here. And then after here, this is more in November, when it kind of just came completely out of this channel. Really didn't give a crap about this channel. It just went parabolic. That's what everyone was going crazy about, Bitcoin and all that. And as you guys can see, I have kind of this second channel, which is more, it's realistic, but it's less realistic than this channel, as you guys can see. So it's kind of like a middle channel. And then we have just this crazy parabolic channel, which we're in at one point. And actually it came out of this channel at one point, which is just insane. But what I think is happening is pretty much Bitcoin, as you guys can see, it's not like Bitcoin's really going down. It's just that you guys have to know that Bitcoin can't go up forever, and I think it's going to kind of come back into this channel, which it has done. Let's actually extend these lines here, because I made these channels quite a long time ago, and these channels kind of made sense and still do make sense. So let's actually extend these a bit, just so it makes a lot of sense for you guys. So that channel's around like that. That channel's around like that. So pretty much what happened, yes, it did come out of this channel, and yes, it has been dropping quite significantly, but it is still very high if you compare to a few months ago, or even just a month ago. It's around where we were around a month ago, a little bit more than a month ago. So honestly, we didn't really lose much. All we're doing is losing the gains. And as you guys can see, it's kind of doing a high, then a low, a high, then a lower high, then another lower high. Actually, this is a higher high, so that might show that Bitcoin's going to continue going up actually, and go back up to 18K in the future. But I'm not really going to be talking too in depth about Bitcoin. This is more a general cryptocurrency market cap video, talking about the overall valuation in cryptocurrency, which is right now, let's see if CoinMarketCap is working. Still not working. That really sucks. But I think the coin market cap is around a little bit under 700 billion now. It actually dipped below 700 billion, which is pretty low for the coin market cap. But let's talk about the second reason why I believe that the crypto market is down at the moment, is because many coins have been going up exponentially crazy amounts in the last few months. So pretty much it has been going at an extreme rate over the last month and beyond. Therefore, it kind of needed a slowdown, and it definitely just needed a few mini corrections like we have seen in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies such as Ripple. So let's search up Ripple here. Everyone thought Ripple was going to continue going up forever, but in reality it's really not. It can't go up forever. Look at this insane run up, and this is to Bitcoin. Let's go Ripple to USD. Let's just go on the Kraken one, whatever. So as you guys can see, look at this flat line of just staying at 20 cents forever, and then look at this, boom, all the way up to 335. Like, just think you're a stock trader. Does this really make sense to a regular stock trader? About a month ago, it was at 20 cents. Boom. Then it just goes up to 30 cents, $3, more than 10 times in 1 month. So it has to correct from this, guys. It honestly does. Honestly, it would probably correct more to down here. If we're doing more of a realistic channel, it would probably be something like this. If anything, more like that. Okay, that seems a little bit more realistic, if anything, right? So honestly, it could probably even correct down to under $1, and it would still be extreme gains if you were holding for the long term. And the thing is, guys, buying at these insanely high prices at these tops, it's a terrible idea. Do not be doing this. If you're just looking at the chart, all you got to do is zoom out of these charts, and then you're going to realize to yourself, when this was up here, let's say, it's not a good point to buy. Right here, it's a better point to buy than up there, but definitely down here is the good point to buy. So you guys gotta put the price into perspective, because a lot of people kind of get in their head that, oh, cryptocurrency is going up forever, no corrections. It's just going straight up. This line is going straight up, $10, $20 without ever having any sort of green bars here. That's just not realistic, guys. Okay, and you really can't be expecting that. And you got to play smarter with the markets, or else everyone would be a billionaire in cryptocurrency, right? So that's how you got to think, and you can't just sell off at any random point. I want to go on my YouTube channel just to show you guys what someone commented. This is just to show you guys something, okay? I just find this interesting, and then I can actually prove them wrong just because of something I'm going to tell you guys in this video. So someone commented on this video. Sorry, I didn't have this prepared before. I just thought of this now. So someone thought of this. Someone wrote on my video saying, bro, I bought in at $21, but now it's down to 17. Am I being wise by holding? So he's pretty much saying, should I sell right now or not, right? So I told him, yes, don't worry, he should be holding. And guess what happened today? If you go here to Binance coin, Binance actually ran back up to its highs just like before. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. Binance came back up, which is actually really cool. And even while all the altcoins are down, Binance keeps going up. And that's what I was telling you guys. People who bought in here, it wasn't a good idea, but once it comes down here, do not sell. Wait for it to come back up for sure. Definitely down here was a good spot to buy. I didn't really buy in, but this is where I bought in at the very first place. You guys can see in my original video that I made a few days ago, you guys can see I saw this wedge forming, and I said, wow, this is a good spot to buy. And guess what happened? Look at this crazy run up from about $8 to $23, and it's happening again, guys, which is crazy. Okay, so so pretty much also I'm gonna just move on to the number 3. So number 2 was that that the cryptocurrency market cap was going up way too quickly, therefore it had to have some sort of correction, and the correction is not over. There will be mini corrections every once in a while. That's just how markets work, but it's just a little bit more exaggerated in cryptocurrency. Let's just take a bit of water. So moving on to number 3 is that cryptocurrency is actually not really crashing, because this video is talking about why the market is down or crashing. Well, it's actually not really crashing. All it is doing is actually just losing its gains. It's not going down, it's just losing its gains. Do you understand what I mean by that, guys? So as you guys can see, Bitcoin, if you just make a channel like this, right, technically Bitcoin has not crashed at all. All it's doing is staying stable. It's staying the same, right? If you look at it in a more long-term standpoint, Bitcoin is just staying the same, right? It's almost like a little square here, right? It's almost like a square we can form here. That is happening. It's kind of going up, down, but it's kind of staying in this little range. I can't really show you guys, but that little range here, this range, it's kind of staying in that. So really, it's not been going down. It's just really losing its gains That's all. And people who are buying up at these tops, it's not a very good idea. You got to look at these lows. Like right now, Bitcoin, I would say it's a good buy, decent buy, but decent buy to sell in a week, I would say no. But if you're waiting to sell for a month or more, a few months, then yes. You can't be looking for these short-term gains, guys. Some people just want these crazy gains that are kind of unrealistic, and you just need to be lucky to get those sort of gains. But it's not really something you can predict, and it can't just continue happening all the time. And also, this is kind of like a bonus, but yeah, that's pretty much the three main reasons why the crypto market cap is down, and why you guys should not worry, and why I'm pretty sure, I'm 100% sure actually, that the crypto market cap will hit $1 trillion in 2018. Do not worry. Even though it's under 700 billion right now, it's going to come back up to 800, 900, and then hit that trillion. And like I showed you guys, this is the Binance coin, right? But if you go here to Binance to BTC, Binance never had a dip. If you look at it this way, it never had a dip, because it's been keep going up comparative to Bitcoin. When Bitcoin went down, it just stayed the same. It went down with Bitcoin, but it did not go any sort of lower than that. So yeah, Binance is still going crazy high. It didn't really have a correction. This is the highs over here, and then it did dip a bit, but that's not really a correction. And it's gonna continue going, and it is continue going. So people are saying that Binance corrected, like on my video here, bro, I bought it at $21. He's looking at the USD value, but what you should really be looking at, in my opinion, is the Bitcoin value. Okay, guys, so that's what I'm pretty much sorry, that's pretty much what I'm thinking. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna just tell you guys, end this video off by telling you guys what I'm holding at the moment. I'm only holding a little bit of Stellar, and obviously I'm holding quite a bit of a big position in Bitcoin like usual. I'm not going to show you guys that, but right now I'm just holding quite a bit of Stellar Lumens, which actually did go down quite a bit. Did go down quite a bit at one point, but I didn't sell. I did not sell, guys, okay? So this is where I bought at around 41K, okay? And guess what? It dipped quite below my investment. It went down to 34K, 33K. I wasn't scared. I didn't sell. Guess where it is now? It's way above my investment again, and it's actually going to the moon right now. So definitely do not be scared by things like this. If you go find it, it's right here. Stellar. Now it's going up, 10% up today. So guys, don't be scared with things like this. As you guys can see, it's way above my investment now. And I was playing out this kind of triangle, this wedge forming, but I was kind of wrong. It did go out of that. But definitely, my sell levels are up here in the 60K, around these highs at the 60K, and actually maybe even above it. But I'm going to sell most of my position here. So definitely anyone in Stellar, that's just my prediction, but that's just my advice / prediction. But you guys can do whatever you want. You guys kind of need to learn your own strategies for trading, and find out when to sell. You can't be selling with your emotions, guys. When the price went down to here, I'm not gonna lie, guys, emotionally it was difficult for me, but all I did is just, okay, I closed this tab. That's all you gotta do. Close the tab. Don't look at it. Wait a day, come back. If it's still down, wait a day, come back. That's all you gotta do. It's not very difficult. And even like I was saying before about the Korean price here, they can say that they took off. CoinMarketCap even said on their Twitter this morning, we excluded some Korean exchanges in price calculations due to extreme divergence in price. What's going on? Okay, so yeah, even CoinMarketCap said that, so many people might not know this, but that's why a lot of the prices are down. That's one of the reasons why many of the prices are down. So that's pretty much my 3 reasons, and then what I'm going to talk about, how to profit from a market correction, okay? How to profit. Very simple. Buy in. When the market is down, that's when you buy. Many people, what they're doing is when a coin's getting hot, they're like, okay, everyone's talking about it. When Ripple is going up, right? Wait, I just want to see this. I just want to go on this. I just want to give you guys a physical representation. Okay, so when Ripple was going just crazy parabolic, right? Everyone was talking about it. Oh my God, buy Ripple right now. Buy Ripple, buy Ripple. Even my family members, a lot of them started talking to me about Ripple. Oh my God, should I buy Ripple? It's here. Oh my God, should I buy Ripple? Should I buy Ripple? It keeps going up. Should I buy Ripple? No, you shouldn't buy Ripple. Now you should buy Ripple. This is, I would say, a good spot to buy Ripple. Right now, if you can get Ripple under $1.50, good spot for the long term. For the short term, maybe not. Maybe it's going to crash under $1. But definitely long term, if you hold this, if you look at this channel here and see it further, yes, it is a good buy point for Ripple, okay? If you're going here to the end of 2018, if you're just going by kind of a few standards here, obviously this is not true, this calculation, but if you go to around the end of 2018, you know, if you buy here, it might go back up to $3. This is like the more realistic price calculation for Ripple in the long term. It could go higher than that, of course, like it did before, but that's just something that you got to look at what's more realistic in a way. So that's pretty much it. I told you guys how to profit from market correction and why the market is down. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Leave a like and comment in this video. Which coins are you holding, and if you actually sold because of emotion once the market was down? If so, tell me which coins you are holding and which coins you sold. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be uploading pretty much daily if possible. I'm trying pretty hard to do that. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.